communication from media and to find out if counsel wished to provide any input on that issue.
So, Judge, I did receive the email and I consulted with some colleagues and I considered the issue myself. So what we have here is we do have the Victim's Bill of Rights at issue. And according to that Victim's Bill of Rights, the victims shall be treated with fairness and respect for their dignity and privacy. Obviously, the victim here is deceased, but she has family members here. You can directly inquire the family members, or you can take my representation that they do not want their loved ones' photo and death publicized for the entire world. So I do understand that there's a balancing that needs to be made between the Victim's Bill of Rights and the public's right to know. And I think we frankly have been doing that through the course of the trial. It has been open access up to this point. It is mea culpa on my part. I told the camera person not to show any of the crime scene photographs. I should have been more particular as to the crime scene photographs. They should have been not shown through live streaming, so that was my fault. But there is that Victim's Bill of Rights, and showing the victim's deceased body in the manner in which it was found by the police, as well as the autopsy photos, which we'll be going through today, is an extreme invasion of her privacy and her rights to dignity. So given that balancing, I think the court has properly balanced the competing interests here in that we have proceeded and allowed public access to this courtroom proceeding.
Thank you. Attorney Nye?
Your Honor, we agree with the state's position. Yesterday, the children's guardian approached me and was expressed concerns about the children's, but more specifically the children's friends being exposed to such pictures on YouTube. So we ask that the court not allow the media to post those photos.
So I just want to make sure I have clarity. There, as you know, there were a number of pictures of the outside of the house in terms of the presentation of the crime scene testimony, and then there were pictures of the interior of the house, including the bathroom and the master bedroom and the hallway without Maureen Argie's body displayed. So the state has made it clear that it's any pictures involving Maureen Argie's body.
I would add the blood scene as well. And again, I think as the guardian expressed to me, she's very concerned for the grandkids, Maureen Argie's children, and Bill Argie's children. And I can say that my client would feel the same way, that they would be, they're really concerned. They've heard that their friends have been exposed to the testimonies and so forth. And I think the visuals of the blood scenes and stuff would be really difficult. She's concerned that it would be detrimental to the children.
Okay, thank you. I will take the matter under advisement. I know that, the ship has sailed in terms of the live stream that's already occurred, and it simply would be to augment what is already in the public domain. So I will make my decision known to the media as soon as I have reached that decision. So thank you for your input. I appreciate it very much. And I'll see you. And is there anything else we need to chat about before? Mr. Argie isn't here, so I didn't want to get into anything substantive relative to.
This may be substantive or not, but you'd asked our input on the jury instructions. We do not request that the defendant's statement be included. So the instruction, the standard instruction relative to police questioning will not be in. Okay, fine. Thank you. Anything further?
No, Judge.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you all back here in a few minutes.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Thanks, Sid.